Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Wandering Sword game not loading, stuck on loading screen, showing black screen or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first thing you need to do is to restart your PC. So for that, click on Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and check. If not, next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. The next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for a device manager. Now here you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. So this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application, select it, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check whether it's working or not. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, no need to worry, just you have to click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable, so you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the issue. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues as it plays a vital role. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the search option. Now search for task manager. Now under background process tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background. You simply have to select them, right click on it and then click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. So make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for settings, click on Windows Update, click on check for updates option over here and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for graphic settings. After that, here you have to search for the game if it's listed. Well, if you cannot find the game, you have to add it. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game to the list, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issue. Somewhere the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable it to play the game hassle-free. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. You simply have to copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once you download Visual C++ files, open it, you will get a repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. Once it is finished, now close this. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play it without any problem. Next is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the search option, search for View Advanced System Settings. Click on Settings, click on Advanced, click on Change. Select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select Custom Size. In the initial size, you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size, you have to type 24576. you've done this, click on set and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. Next is to reinstall Wandering Sword game. So after following all the above methods, if the game still continues to crash or suffer from other issues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and then reinstall Wandering Sword game and finally click on the play button to check if the game is opening or not.